Alright guys, F-150 5.0 liter. We're gonna do a single exhaust to a true dual exhaust conversion. We're gonna get rid of all the and we're gonna make it much better.
The quality goes in before the name goes on. Interior tone level with this Flowmaster True Dual exhaust is mild. With all major brands in stock, Riches has you covered. You can pick your sound and your tips before you buy. To further optimize your vehicle's performance, we carry AFE, K&N, and Air Raid. Thanks for watching. Please make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. See it and hear it at richesperformanceexhaust.com.